My name is Amanda. I come from China.
My name is Abraham. I'm from Brazil.
Hi, my name is Claudia. I'm from Colombia.
My name is Daria Konde. I'm from Nigeria.
My name is Rajendra Kumar and I'm from India.
As a student here at CNC, I had many challenges. In all of them, I could count on the international office teams to help me solve any kind of challenge, from finding accommodation to career planning. I would say hands-on learning really helped me to engage with what I was doing, and it helped me to learn faster and much easier.
CNC has been holding lots of events and activities. In the last 4 years, I have been performing for the Chinese New Year. I organized the Dragon Boat Festival, International Education Week, and the new Student Welcome Orientation. I joined the Student Leadership and Ambassadorship Program. This program helps me give back to the community. I love all events and activities in CNC.
The class size of the College of New Caledonia is pretty convenient for the students. They can have a one-on-one talk with the teachers regarding their questions or problems. I got my specialization in leadership course. I have developed myself a lot. I have developed my qualities, I have developed my skills, I have developed my personality.
When I came to CNC, I met a lot of people from different parts of the world. They all wanted to know about my culture, about what we eat, what we wear, the music we dance to. Black History Month was the perfect opportunity to share my culture with my friends.
What I like most of CNC is the cultural variety. The friendships I've made in CNC are the most amazing thing that has happened to me here, because they're like my Canadian family, as I like to call them, and I just love them to death.